Hi, welcome to syGlass 1.3.0. In this release, we've redesigned the front end of syGlass to make it much easier to load your data. Here's the front page of syGlass. You'll notice that the OpenGL window is now embedded in the application. You can also pop it up with this little pop-out button right here. There's three main sections: the OpenGL window, which will be the same as what the VR user sees. Down here is the project overview, where project metadata and cards will live. And to the left is the project library. The project library can now be organized by a series of folders. We can create a new folder and name it, let's say, confocal data. And we can just simply drag and drop our confocal data into here. If we want, we can minimize the folder, and that will help us organize different experiments and projects into their respective folders. We can make one more. Let's see, we've got some animals scanned in here. Let's create a new folder, animals, and we can drag our alligator and our chameleon into here. And you can also create folders within folders. Test 1. And we see that this folder is now in here. We can easily move it outside of that if we wish, or put it right back in there. Right-clicking, we can rename or delete that folder. When we click on a project, we can see down here, we see the title of the project, the path of where the project file lives, and also a 5-star rating. This 5-star system can help you organize your mediocre data from your outstanding data. Right here we have a note-taking section where you can put almost anything that will help you remind yourself what data is inside of here. So if I put water monster into this data set note category, and later on I'm looking for all of my data sets that are of water monsters, I can go up to the search section here and type water. Because water was inside of the note of the alligator CT project, I can now find it. Another thing you might notice here is that this project alone has a nice little thumbnail here, which helps me remember what the data inside of this project looks like. In addition, there are two cards here. These are the data sets from different perspectives. By double-clicking on the card, I have this card detail. I can add descriptions to it, give it a different title. I can export this image as a full resolution picture, and I can also set this as the project thumbnail. I can achieve all of this also by just right-clicking on the card. So if maybe this was a better shot to express what's in the project, I can click here and say set thumbnail. Now this is here. So I'm going to launch a project with the launch project button. Here's the chameleon floating around. Right now he doesn't have any cards, so we're going to take a few screenshots. I'm just going to position the camera next to him and click this button. For right now I have to click off of that project and back onto it. And here we see this picture, and I'm just going to set this as the thumbnail. So this video shows the main page of syGlass now, how you can organize your data into folders and set thumbnails and cards.